CVap full-size new door replacement. Insert the middle hinge into the top of the bottom door. Insert the bottom of the door into the bottom hinge. Close the door and align the middle hinge. Insert the 3 middle hinge bolts. Ensure that the bottom of the door is in line with the trough. Tighten the 3 middle hinge bolts. Next, insert the top hinge into the top door. Insert the bottom of the top door into the middle hinge, and then slide the top hinge behind the top bolt. Align the door and then tighten the top bolt. Hold the door open at a 90-degree angle and insert and tighten the bottom 2 hinge bolts. Verify that the doors open and close as designed.